Sam Bankman-Fried.
This is 30-year-old Sam Bankman-Fried, who built himself up from zero to being worth $26 billion. But a single tweet destroyed his entire empire overnight, leaving him penniless again. He was listed among Forbes' richest people and was widely discussed on various platforms. After all, earning such immense wealth in just 8 years is nothing short of extraordinary. If someone told us that a man worth $26 billion went broke in a single night, it would be hard to believe. But that's exactly what happened to Sam. The question is, how did he earn such a massive fortune? And how did a single tweet bring him to ruin? This story begins in 2014, when Sam graduated from MIT and started working at a trading firm called Jane Street. While working there, he came up with an idea to make millions of dollars. He discovered a loophole in cryptocurrency. He bought Bitcoin at lower prices in the US and sold it at higher prices in Japan. This strategy was so profitable that at times, he earned up to $25 million in a single day. Using the money he made, Sam launched his own crypto firm, Alameda Research, and hired his college friends and ex-colleagues from Jane Street. At Jane Street, he met someone who later played a key role in his downfall, Caroline Ellison. Caroline also became his girlfriend. Struggling with her job, Sam made her the CEO of Alameda Research, even though she had zero experience in the field. Alameda Research's job was to manage client funds, invest in cryptocurrencies, and promise them an annual profit of 15%. Everything seemed to be going fine. Although the team was relatively inexperienced, they risked millions of dollars of their clients' money. In 2019, to increase his profits, Sam launched FTX, a crypto exchange platform, along with a cryptocurrency called FTT. Many trusted Sam, and within no time, 100,000 people deposited their money into FTX and began trading there. However, Sam made a greedy move that led to his downfall. He started offering discounts to FTX users who kept their funds in FTT tokens instead of dollars. FTT had no intrinsic value, but users began buying it just for the discounts, which caused its value to skyrocket. This move benefited FTX's users, but the biggest beneficiary was Sam himself. The token, which initially had no value, started selling for as high as $80. Soon, FTX became a household name, and Sam was recognized as a successful and wealthy entrepreneur. It's important to note that in cryptocurrency exchanges, users trust that they can withdraw their funds anytime. Normally, not everyone withdraws their money at the same time. But if a market crash occurs, a mass withdrawal happens. Sam took advantage of this trust and secretly started using customers' funds to invest in various coins. He believed he could make profits from these trades and return the funds to FTX. But things didn't go as planned. During this time, inflation in the US led people to liquidate their assets. The investments Sam made with users' funds failed badly. To make matters worse, this information leaked to the media. Around the same time, Caroline accidentally revealed in a video call with the Wall Street Journal that FTX had transferred customer funds to Alameda Research. This was a major revelation because using customer funds for other purposes is a serious crime. Sam tried hard to reassure people that their money was safe, but his efforts were in vain. Meanwhile, someone was closely observing the situation. Changpeng Zhao, CZ, the CEO of Binance, a cryptocurrency exchange, and a former friend of Sam. When Sam was launching FTX, CZ had invested $500 million for a stake in the company. After FTX became successful, Sam bought back CZ's share for $2 billion, but in FTT tokens, not US dollars. Czech Republic held on to these tokens without selling them. On November 6, 2022, with news about FTX spreading everywhere, CZ tweeted that Binance would sell all its FTT tokens due to reports of corruption at FTX. Although CZ hadn't sold the tokens yet, this single tweet shook the crypto world. People holding FTT began selling rapidly, and FTX customers started withdrawing their funds. But withdrawals could only happen if FTX had the money, which it didn't. Sam was in deep trouble and had no choice but to approach CZ for help. They discussed a deal where Binance would acquire FTX at a very low price. However, just 2 days later, CZ tweeted again, announcing that Binance had decided not to buy FTX due to its poor financial condition. FTX owed its customers $10 billion, but had only $900 million in its accounts. This meant Sam had used 90% of customer funds elsewhere, resulting in heavy losses. The man who, just 2 days earlier, was worth $26 billion was now bankrupt. On November 11, 2022, Sam tweeted that FTX and Alameda Research had filed for bankruptcy. This story teaches us that excessive greed can lead to devastating consequences.